Matagal-tagal tayong hindi nakagawa ng vlog kasi very busy. Kakapanood ng Korean. Yan, tignan niyo ang hair ko. Ako po ito, nag-iba ako ng hair color. Anyways, it's a beautiful day today. Tignan niyo naman, after ng isang linggong puro ulan dito sa Sydney. At finally, Sunday ngayon at maaraw na. Nasa si Dada. Dada. Hi, Kian. Ayan si Kian. Ayan. So, dahil maganda ang sikat ng araw ngayon, let's go to the city. Sasakay tayo ng ferry. Ang tagal na natin pinaplano to, pero ngayon pa lang matutupad. Ayan, so mag-enjoy tayo ngayon at we'll take you guys to Manly Beach. Pero hindi tayo mag-swimming kasi malamig pa. Ano pa ngayon? Last week of winter, and by next week spring na. Spring dito sa Sydney, sa Australia ay magiging spring na. Pero malamig pa. Kaya naka-ano pa kami. Naka-jacket pa kami. Yan. Hello. Welcome to Circular Quay. Ayan. So, nandito na kami sa ferry. We got off Circular Quay Station. Nag-train kami. It's currently 12:30. Lunchtime na. At medyo mahaba-haba nga yung travel namin by train. It took us about 1.5 hours. So, it's okay. Tignan nyo naman ang view. And look at this little boy. Ang little boy ay nasa stroller kasi ayaw niyang maglakad. Tamad siyang maglakad. So, yep. We took the stroller with us. We brought the stroller with us. So, hindi siya magpapakarga. Pagtamad na siyang maglakad. So, we're going to Manly. Doon kami magla-lunch and we're gonna walk around. Look at this beautiful day. May sun kanina, pero wala namang rain forecast for today. So, we are safe. So, yep, I said it's been raining for a couple of days na. At ngayon lang talaga naging maganda yung weather. Hindi ako nakahawak, medyo nakatakot ako. Ha! At ayun na nga, nandito na kami sa Manly. Palakad na tayo palabas. Very calm naman ang ating ferry experience dito. Nice. Welcome to Manly. We are starving. It's parang 1 o'clock na yata dito. Anong oras na ba? Yan, 1 o'clock na. At hindi pa kami nag-almusal. Wala pang kain.
I've seen you more than.
Okay. Nada. Wala kaming energy to say something. No energy to speak.
Need food. So
Food
hungry.
There's the boy. Kaso na si boy? Ayun. Ang tamad na maglakad ng bata. Kebab! Messina. There's Messina here as well. Ang ganda naman ng ng Manly. Oo nga. Parang first time ko nga talaga dito. Gutom na si Kian, kinausap na yung pigeon. Tara. Oh, yung daming mga shops, oh. It's very nice. Live music. Lively pala ang Manly. O, diba? Oh, very nice naman ang Manly. Wow! Naglalakad pa rin tayo at naghahanap ng makakain. Ang ganda dito sa Manly. Ewan ko, parang ngayon lang ako napunta dito. Ang daming shops. May mga shop na pang mga dress. Yan, oh. Pang surfing. Mga two-piece. Oh, di ba? Ang dami, oh. Apparels. Ano yun? Sunnies. Oh, nice naman. Oh, perfumes. Pati may perfumes dito, oh. Oh, yung ganda, oh. Bags. Ang nice naman ng vibes dito, oh, diba?
It's been easy doing batches.
Ano ba? Asan ba yung mga dito? Fish and chips. Madami ako nakikita. Dessert. Ice cream crepe. Oh, di ba? Ang ganda naman dito sa Manly. At marami ding tao. Hey. Magandang pasyalan. Ayun! Punta tayo sa Manly Ocean Foods. Oh, may Starbucks din pala dito. Okay, it's lunchtime. Medyo nag-wait ako ng matagal doon. I've got some fish and chips and yung isa, salmon and chips. Yung sa akin, salmon. Gusto ko ng salmon. From Manly Ocean Foods. We're having lunch with a view. With a view of the beach.
Is this my one?
Ayan ang foods namin, guys. Oh. Don't move it too much. May use naman pala tong stroller na to, eh, oh. Diyan nakaupo si Kian. Ah, diba? We're gonna enjoy our lunch and the beach. Ah, diba? Yan, busog na ako. Pero si Mahal hindi busog. What happened?
bird stole my fish.
Galit siya. He's angry. Kasi maraming birds dito. Are they pigeons? They're pigeons, right?
Seagulls.
Seagulls. Ayun, inatake yung kanyang fish. Fish and chips for lunch, naging chips na lang. Not...
And I'm still eating.
They got the good one. Yung fish
And
talaga
I'm
yung
still
kina.
eating.
Ayan si Kian, still eating, of course, as usual. Only chips for Kian. Kasi he had the bread before already. Tingnan nyo, guys, ang lamig, actually. Kanina, when we left home, it was sunny. And then, ngayong nakapunta na kami dito sa city, dito, walang sun. Tingnan nyo, cloudy dito, at saka medyo malamig. Buti nadala ko yung puffer jacket ko. Si Mahal hindi. Pinag-iisipan niya kanina. Ano kaya? Dadalhin ko ba yung jacket ko o hindi? Kasi nga doon sa amin araw, medyo warm. Ayan, nilalamig siya. Tuloy. What about Kian? Feeling cold?
Nope.
Ayan, maglakad-lakad tayo after si Kian ito. Kakain pa. Pagkatapos niyang kumain, maglakad-lakad tayo. Kian,
Oh, look, the
careful.
turkey.
Turkey's there?
There's a turkey.
Ay, ang layo na. May turkey dito. Nag-iisa siya. Tingnan niyo guys, ang dami nag-surf o kahit na kahit ang lamig-lamig dito. Ayan. Mag-walking na tayo. Walking from... ayun pala. We're gonna walk from Manly Beach to Shelly Beach. Okay. On. At least it's not too hot, right? It's not too hot to walk. Hindi naman sobrang wala kasi siyang wala kasing jacket si Dada, kaya yan. At talagang tong batang to hindi na naglakad. Tignan nyo. Dami pa rin restaurants dito sa sa kabila pala. Hahanap kami kanina. Kaya lang feel ni Dada kumain ng fish and chips. Yan tuloy. He end up eating chips only. Wala na fish. Ayaw na daw niyang kumain. Yes?
Let's go get some ice cream.
Yeah, Messina is there. We walked past before. When we go back to the station, we're gonna get ice cream. Ito po ang Manly. Ganda sa Manly Ayun nga palang lunch namin. Yung fish and chips, normal na fish. Mahal. What kind of fish is that? What kind of fish was the normal one? What's that?
Garden fish.
Just
Probably barramundi.
okay. So it could be barramundi. At siya, 17.50. Yan. And then yung sa akin, salmon yung sa akin, 25 yung sa akin. And then we just had a Coke for drink. Ganda nito Ano yan? Hotel? Ganda no, Dada? Peppers. Ang ganda. Amoy na amoy ko ang dagat. Literal na, I smell something fishy. Tara, lakad tayo. Anong oras na ba dito? I'll check the time. Is 2 p.m. Alas 2 ng hapon. At cloudy dito ngayon. Mas gusto ko na to. Kesa naman sa Super Sunny. Kasi pag Super Sunny, sunburnt. Ang hirap alisin ng sunburnt sa face, especially. Freckles ang doon. Resulta nun. Oh, ganda ng mga rocks.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I'll ever figure out where the road goes.
Ayan, maliit na beach dito. Tingnan niyo yung mga mga bata. Parang may lesson sila ng surfing. Ayun o, ang cute nila. Meron pa mga nag-snorkeling dun o. Banda dun. Oh my God, tingnan mo naman itong mga bahay dito. Ang gaganda. Tingnan mo yung mga bata. Ang cute, oh. Tara, balik na tayo dun sa sa Manly Beach. At tayo kukuha ng ice cream. Kahit na medyo malamig-lamig ng konti dito. Ice cream tayo. Kasi may Messina. Madalang na lang kami makakita ng Messina. Dahil mostly sa city ang Messina eh. Ganda ng mga pine trees sa likod ko. Green na green dito. Ang dami pa rin tao. See? Families na nag-i-spend ng weekend dito. Nakaka-happy na makakita ng mga pine trees. Oh. Diba?
Yeah.
I'm correct, right? They are pine trees.
The eagles are here, Dada.
Mahal.
Yeah.
You're not sure as well?
Dada, the eagles are here, yeah.
And this boy didn't walk at all.
No,
Huh?
not yet.
Very lazy boy. What's going on?
Mama, look at that
Yeah.
cute puppy there.
Yeah, a lot of cute puppies.
Looks like Snapchat.
Messina. Let's get some ice cream.
I got some ice cream, coconut ice cream with mango.
Mango and coconut.
Yeah, mango and coconut.
And this one is pistachio praline with pandan coconut. Yum.
Yep.
Mmm.
Can I try yours?
Which one do you like? Dada. Masarap din yung kay Kian. Mango coconut. It's yummy.
I like mine.
Humaba na yung pila. Ayun. What about you, Dada? Which one you like? That's the pandan coconut. This one is good, huh? This one. Mango coconut.
They're all good.
Yeah, they're all good. Messina is good.
I like mine. Yummy.
Yeah, huh?
Dada, I just tried a little in there. I just
Ano?
tried one piece of packet
Pistachio
in there.
praline.
And then I get it. Okay, Dada?
Not a big fan of the pistachio.
Ah, okay. Ako kasi gusto ko ng pistachio eh. Kaya kinuha ko yung pistachio, tapos gusto ko rin ng coconut. Ah, ayun, masarap siya.
Hazelnut or pistachio.
Ah, si Dada kasi gusto niya hazelnut daw. Eh sabi niya sa akin, ako nang bahala. Eh di, kinuha ko yung gusto ko. Okay, we will enjoy our ice cream before we head back to the ferry. Okay, so we're heading back to the Manly Wharf. At hopefully, hindi maalon. Medyo mahangin na kasi, oh. Sana hindi naman maalon, nakakatakot eh. Di ba? Lumakad din si Kia. Ngayon na lang lumakad. Bye, Manly! See you again next time. Dali, dali, dali. Did you enjoy your day, baby?
Yeah.
What about Dada? Dada's alright? Did you enjoy your day? Oh, tired si Dada. Tara, pasok tayo. Dali.
Let's go to the train.
Sarap ng ice cream. Ako lahat ang kumain. Akong umubos. Si Dada hindi masyadong kumain.
Let's go to the train.
Train? No. Ferry. Ferry first.
Huh. Let's go to the ferry. Let's go.
Outro sa labas kasi nag-ride lang kami ng train. Ano ba itong nasa buhok ko? 1.5 hours ang train ride namin. So, nakatulog si Kian at kami bumabagsak na rin yung mata namin. And it's already 6:30 in the evening. At ayun, sana po mag-enjoy din kayo sa vlog namin ngayon. At paki-like na rin po at subscribe to our channel at magkita-kita po tayo sa susunod naming vlog. Good night, everyone!